it gets broken. Boom, boom, boom.
Alors pour les cyclistes, alors hormis nous bien sûr.
Okay, so we can't ride the bike. We will share the beautiful view with you there. Yeah, finally we made it. We found a place where to put back the bike. Hey guys, welcome back for another vlog video here from the best city in the world, Paris. Today it's hot weather, so I decided to go outside and do the tour of Dock la Seine, Quai de Seine. But this time I will not do that by walking, I will do that by bike. We will run to Vélib and we will do the whole tour. In this video I will show you everything from taking the Vélib, the ride that we will do in Dock la Seine, and after how to put it back. You will enjoy one of the most beautiful scenes here in Paris, Dock la Seine. This video will be picturesque, it will be very huge. Stay on your couch and watch it until the end. Okay, so it's the Vélib station. A lot of Vélib. For today we will rent one of them. Okay, so when you use the Vélib you can use this screen and try to subscribe and take a Vélib and all that. I don't encourage that because it's more expensive. The best option is to do it through the app. You install the app and after you put your contact, you put your credit card and you rent it from the app. What's really cool is that you can have the Vélib pass directly on your phone and after you just scan it and take the ride. Let's do it and show you how it works. But before I do that, I will use a new app. They call it Vélib. It's an independent person who created this app. It shows you the best Vélib that you can take, because sometimes you take a Vélib but it has a problem and you discover that in the middle of the road, which is very annoying. So we will try it. First time I will try this app. So this is the app Vélib and here we are in front of the station and it gives you a score for each Vélib. So it said that this one, Dock 11, is one of the best. Last ride was 2 hours ago. This one also, this one is 1 hour ago. So yeah, they are interesting, but we will not take electric, we will take normal one. But you can see the difference. The best one in normal, this one, 85. See the difference? Most of the electric are really good. Yeah, here I can filter mechanical. The best one is 85. You have even bikes that don't have any rates. Very strange. Okay, we go to Dock 12. So the app is saying that this one is one of the best in this station. It has even graffiti tag. It doesn't bring confidence to see graffiti tag on a bike. Yeah, it looks old, but it's the best one in this station. Let's take it. But first, before taking the bike, I will install all the material because in this video I will film with the new camera, the Insta360. I will fix it on the bike and I will show you how I did it. Yeah, I don't know if I can film good, but yeah, let's try it out. So many things. I hope that this bike is good, because if it's not good, I would have wasted a lot of time for nothing. So they said, I think, to put this thing here. I don't know how it get fixed. Yeah, it's like that. I need to open this more. Hope this bike is really good, because if no, it will be a big struggle. Okay, I think it's fixed. Let me fix it more. Don't want to lose my camera from the first ride. Okay, after we add this stuff, I guess, and after I fix it with this. Hope it's entering. Not really. It's not good, this one. I hope this one is working better. Yeah, it's working, but not good in this kind of manual things. Not the best one, but yeah, it's now fixed. Now we get the camera. Boom. Yeah, I think I have bigger one. I will use the longest one. So high, can go to 3 meters, this one. So really high. I think everything is okay. Yeah guys, we are ready. Now we will run the bike. Okay guys, everything is ready. Now I will pass my Apple Watch and we will take this bike. I hope it will work. It's work. Feel the vibration. So yeah, it's working. Yeah, I'm not very confident. Long time I didn't do a bike tour. Don't have a helmet also, so I think that everything will go okay. Here we have this pocket to put the phone inside. So yeah, let's put the phone inside. Let's go. Yeah, it's working good, but I hope that no one will rob it. It's not this side. Let's go the other side. It's really heavy, the bike. It's a real struggle. I think I will change. Yeah, really cool. I will get confidence with time. Long time I didn't do that. Before I was doing electric scooter, but I get injured. And since that, I lost confidence in doing bikes, electric scooter and all that. So I'm getting back confidence. I hope everything will be okay this time. Yeah, so I'm filming the ride for you guys. We'll go in the dock. They said we need to go from there. Let's go from there by the bike. So now it's going fast here. I try to go slowly to avoid that the camera is shaking a lot. Let's go back on the race. Boom, boom, boom. Not easy to film. Oh, they are dancing there. Very hard to film. Finally we passed it. It's vibrating a lot, that's what is not cool. It's not the official stabilizer. They have a better one. But yeah, let's do with this one like that. So they said that it's 14 kilometers of ride. I don't know if we can walk with the bike or no here. Yeah, that the summer vibe here in Paris, really cool. Good weather. Bonjour.
Alors pour les cyclistes, alors hormis nous bien sûr, c'est pied à terre. Vous pouvez pas rouler ici.
Ah ok, désolé. Du coup, je monte en haut.
Mais vous pouvez rester ici en vélo, mais vous tenez
okay.
le vélo. Vous restez pas sur le vélo.
D'accord. Moi, je vais monter en haut.
Bonne journée.
Okay, so we can't ride the bike in the dock, so let's go up. So bad, but let's do it with bridges, it's better. Yeah, let's go back on the race. Oh, it gets broken. I can't film for today. Very hard to film with this material. It was waving a lot. What's happening that it gets broken so bad. Yeah, the stabilizer gets broken there. So bad. It's not my journey today. It's time that I take a Vélib. It's like that. Even at the beginning of the year it was like that. Wanted to take a Vélib, I couldn't. Now say okay, we will take the Vélib, we will film. But it's not a problem, I have another idea. Okay, it's the last option, I will use this. Fix it. Here, I guess. First time I used this. It's like that. So strange. It will be moving like that. Don't know. Not a lot of options. Trying my best, guys, to film with the equipment that I have. I think I'm not in the good pedestrian part. I need to cross and go from the other side. It's really hard to bike in Paris if you don't know how it works. It's really hard. I have a friend that will join me. Let's contact her. Oui. Tu prends la ligne 1, tu descends à Châtelet au hôtel de ville. Je suis pas loin. But to enjoy the good vibe, but actually we can't go by bike on the dock of Seine. So bad. I think I will go to Bastille. Let's bike here. So bad that they didn't continue the path. Okay, I fixed the phone. Now I will go to catch my friend in Bastille. She said that she's in Bastille, so let's go to Bastille. I think I don't have the right to go by bike with me. So it's 10-minute ride. Hope we will see interesting things during the road. But I heard the manifestation there in Bastille, so maybe it's dangerous. We try to avoid the manifestation because I don't want to take risk. It's really cool, this pedestrian street. You go and you enjoy. So cool. Oh, I didn't respect the red lights. First time I film with this setup, so don't know how it looks. For that I want to try. We are in Hotel de Ville, so here they say some stats about bikes in Paris. I don't understand if it's red or green. Long time I didn't do bike. I think 1 year or 2 years I didn't do biking. They said it's one of the best sport that you can do. Place where you can ride. Oh, he don't respect the red lights. Maybe we should do like him. Yeah, no one stops in the red light. That's cool that they made this whole area for bikes. Before cars were riding here. Now they close it. There is this side and this side there, all for bikes. And only one small path for cars. We don't have good health condition for him, especially because my bike is mechanical, not even electric. I wasn't expecting to do this ride. I thought I can do it electric, so... Hey, salut!
Ça va?
Ça va?
Ça fait longtemps.
Ouais.
Désolée, je suis un peu à la bourre. Je suis un peu à la bourre
désolé.
parce que je me suis perdue ici, c'est super grand. J'étais vers la manifestation, tu sais, où les gens ils manifent.
C'est à quoi?
Il y a la manifestation encore des... on les appelle comment là? La Palestine et tout le tralala.
Ah.
Oui, il y a ça, là-bas là. J'étais même à deux
C'est
doigts de
dangereux?
participer. Hein?
C'est dangereux?
Non, il y a la police et tout, ça va, c'est tranquille. Ça va.
Ah, ok.
Ah, t'as mis le maillot du Brésil?
Oui.
Aïe aïe aïe, Brasilia.
Donc on fait quoi? On va...
Ouais.
Tu veux qu'on prenne un Vélib et on se balade?
Ok, ça roule.
Ou tu veux qu'on se pose dans les quais?
C'est où le quai?
C'est là, les quais de Seine, juste
Il y
devant.
a la Seine là-bas?
Oui. Okay, so I will put back the bike and we will be walking on dock of la Seine. If we find a place where we can put back the bike, because I don't see any empty spot here. So bad. Okay, let's go for the other station. I hope that this time we found a place, because in the app they said that there is 3 free spots, but actually there is any
Tu veux qu'on y
free
va à la manif
spots.
après?
C'est dangereux, non?
Non, ça va.
Puis j'ai la caméra, moi,
La
et
police,
tout.
c'est même eux qui m'ont aidé à venir ici.
Ah ouais? Ils t'ont dragué?
Ouais, un peu, ils m'ont un peu dragué quoi.
Ah, c'est pour ça. Si c'était un mec, ils l'auront pas aidé.
T'as dit quoi?
Si c'était un mec, ils l'ont pas aidé. Okay, there is a place, but someone will take it. Oh, we don't have luck. The only free spot is taken. So bad. Je suis arrivé quand je t'ai envoyé un message.
Ah ouais? Ah, je pensais que t'étais arrivé depuis et que j'étais un peu à la bourre quoi. Et qu'en attendant, tu te promenais à vélo.
J'ai voulu sur les quais, la police m'a dit non, tu peux pas.
Ah ouais? Pourquoi?
Tu veux un électrique, t'as le Doc 5, c'est la meilleure.
Le Doc 5?
Ouais, là, c'est là. T'as 10 là, c'est là.
Il est...
Le
Mais non,
5,
il marchait pas le 5.
Non, bah, il a une bonne note. Sinon, t'as le 20. It's a
Moi, ça me fait un peu de
big
sport.
struggle here.
À pied.
I'm taking risk, guys. I'm not allowed to ride here. Ah, on est arrivé. Okay, we arrived, guys. It's here.
Il y a le bus, il y a le bus.
Bus ici. Oh. There is a bus even here. Oh. Same problem. Same problem. Any free spot here. It's crazy. It's really annoying. There is no free spot. Oh, there is the girl that will remove a bike. Yeah. It's the struggle here to find a place where to put back the bike, but finally we find this girl that she removed her bike and we will take her place. Yeah, end of the journey. I think it's okay. I think it's done. Yeah, finally we made it. We found a place where to put back the bike. Okay guys, that's it for this ride in the bike. It was really cool. I wanted to go on the dock, but the police didn't let me to go there. It's too bad. And after it was a struggle to find the path of biking. So if you don't know how to use bike, it's kind of difficult at the beginning, but after you get used, after 20-30 minutes, there is a lot of cyclable places in Paris, and that's really cool. And you have all the apps that can help you. There is an app that shows you the best Vélib, and there is also the Vélib app, and the whole ride costed 3 euros. That's it for the vlog of today. Next time we will prepare it better. I will bring a better stabilizer for my camera to show you the best view of this city. But until then, enjoy all what this city is offering. Paris.